Overlock sewing machines, or sergers, are specialized, high-speed machines designed to trim, sew, and finish fabric edges simultaneously, preventing fraying. They are essential for professional garment construction, activewear, and knitwear with 3, 4, or 5 thread options offering different strengths, such as durable seams or safety stitches. Key features and types: industrial models, high-speed, durable machines, for example JUKI MO-6900G, capable of speeds up to 5,500 RPM for heavy fabrics like denim or canvas. Domestic models, portable machines, for example Overlock, often featuring 4-thread, 2-needle configurations with built-in trimmers. Functionality: they provide a professional, finished look by looping threads around the edge of the fabric. Specialty machines, cylinder bed machines, for example Yamato AZ8451, are specialized for attaching elastic tape and specialized stitching. Popular brands and pricing: JUKI, known for direct drive, energy-saving industrial models A4S4. JUKI, specialized in heavy-duty and high-speed industrial overlockers. Yamato, focused on high-quality finish, particularly in elastic attachment. Brother offers industrial serger machines. Price range: affordable to mid-range options are available from retailers like Daros, starting from basic accessories to professional machines. Overlock sewing machines generally range from $100 to $500 for home-use models, and $300 to over $2,000 for industrial-grade machines. Key uses: apparel manufacturing, creating high-quality seams and finishing edges in knitwear, blouses, and shirts. Heavy-duty, handling denim, canvas, and industrial materials. Home textiles, ideal for curtains and other heavy materials.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.